Welcome to the session, students. So in this session we will be seeing about erosion and dilation. Okay, so have you ever heard about this word erosion and dilation? No? Yes or no? So make an analysis of within yourself. So if you don't know, let's start learning now what is erosion and what is it. So here we will be having two fundamental morphological operations. So first thing is dilation and second thing is erosion. Okay, so first what is morphological operation? So morphological operation is nothing but collection of non-linear operations related to shape or morphology or features that are present within a particular image. Okay, so that is called as morphological operation. Next thing is dilation. So dilation in the sense we will be adding the pixels to the boundary of an image, that is of an object in an image, and erosion in the sense we will be removing the pixel, that is removing the unwanted pixels, and dilation in the sense adding some extra pixels to the value to create some development in that particular image. Development in the sense like creating a water basin, okay, or like a segment in between them. All those things will be coming under dilation. Okay, so if you see this example, you might get a clear-cut idea of how dilation is being take place. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we are going to bridge the gap in an image. Okay, so what is bridging of gap? We are adding some extra element. So what is adding of extra element? That is the dilation. Understood now? So we are taking some pixels. You can see in the left side there is a gap between them. So the image is said to be discontinuity. The image is said to have some discontinuity. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to fill that gap by adding some extra pixels in between them. Okay. So this particular adding of pixels is called as dilation process. In the next image you can see that removing of unwanted pixel. I want only this particular features to be highlighted. Okay, other pixels I need not needed for enhancing my image, or that information is not needed in my case. So what I have to do? I have to remove the unwanted pixel. Okay, so I have removed the unwanted pixel, and after the removal of unwanted pixel you can get another image in the right side of your view. Okay, so this particular thing is called as removing of pixel. This is so now we can see another one example. So here first image is original image. So after that you can see that we are removing of pixel is done, and after the dilation, that is adding of pixel. Okay, so opening and closing is not needed in this topic. So if you need, we will see in relation. Okay, so similarly this is another image. So we have taken a leaf-like structure. So that is the original image, and then it is being eroded. Okay, so pixel is being added, removed, and then dilated, pixel is being added. Okay, so in this the adding and removing we will be having some pixels, right? So the number of pixels that is added or removed from the object depends upon the size and shape of the structuring element. Okay, so for that we have to know what is structuring element. So structuring element is nothing but it is just a matrix of ones and zeros. Okay, so it will be having a combination of both ones as well as zeros. So in that whole matrix, the center pixel, there will be an element in the center pixel at the origin. So that pixel is called as the origin pixel. Okay, so we can see in this example now, origin of a diamond shaped structuring element, we are having different gray levels with zeros and ones. So in the center pixel we are having a pixel that is called as origin. Okay, alright. So suppose if you want to execute this particular erosion and dilation program in the MATLAB structure, then we can go for adding this particular, or we can go for implementing this particular MATLAB coding, and we can run the program by applying in the image. So this topic will be quite interesting. So what you have to do is you have to just go for choosing an image, and then you have to go for applying this particular dilation program on the image to add the pixels, and similarly we will be having a erosion program to remove the unwanted pixels. So depending upon our need, we can go for adding or removing the pixels that are present within the image to get a better image. So suppose if we need to highlight the object from the background, so at that case we can go for using this. These are few applications where we can go for choosing this technique. Okay, so now it's up to you. So the quiz question for you on this topic is, the maximum length of pixel breaks can be up to. Okay, so I hope you all have understood about what is erosion and dilation and image quantization. Hope you all had a useful. Thank you.